In today's video, how to fix Facebook dating not showing up. Open Facebook app on your device. Check eligibility requirements. Age limit. You must be 18 years of age or older. Account age. Your profile must be at least 30 days old. Account standing. Check your profile for warnings or bans. You must have a clean history with a green checkmark under account status via help and support. Deleted profiles. If you deleted a previous dating profile, you must wait 7 days before creating a new one. Tap on 3 horizontal lines menu at top left side. Under your shortcuts, tap on See More to reveal additional shortcuts. If dating feature is not found here, it might be hidden. Scroll down under Settings and Privacy, select Settings. Under Preferences, select Tab Bar, then tap on Customize the bar. Here under Available tabs, check if the dating option is set to Hidden. If hidden, tap to unhide and pin the dating option to your menu. Update the app. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple app. If any updates available, update it. Next, uninstall the app completely from your device, and download it again to clear hidden cache glitches. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.